Hey everyone, VisionAutoworks here with a Hyundai Genesis Coupe headlight package finished up today. This is a pretty extensive build, so we're going to go over all the small little details, so just bear with us here. Customer sent in the OEM headlights. His were factory HID, but the projectors just really aren't great, even the HID equipped vehicles, so we removed the factory projector and retrofitted a BiLED projector system in there for him. So this takes the HID components and really just converts them to the kind of like the new norm nowadays, with the LED projector being a much better option. And to complement it, we also installed the profile high lens LED, kind of a multi-lens high beam projector, dedicated high beam projector in the high beam bowl to complement the LED project, the main beam BiLED projectors. As you can see here, we also have custom paint work done. This was done in like a 3-color scheme, matte black, gloss black, and burnt bronze for the accents. Looks really cool. He has some like wheels that are similar color, so we try to get that to match his wheels as good as possible. Also installed are the clear corners, so the factory ambers were removed. We replaced them with aftermarket clear versions. And then finally, we have 2 sets of profile prism RGB halos mounted over the main projector and the high lens projector. And then we have a profile pivot sequential strip up on the top side. So we're going to cut all the LED products on just to show you what it looks like. So turns on, it is defaults to white. And we're going to cycle through some colors and modes here to kind of give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Just waiting for this thing to connect. There we go. So yeah, here we're gonna turn the exposure down. It's just a little bit bright right now. Okay. So we have them all set to blue right now, and obviously the with the profile products you have independent channel control. So for example, if we want to set one of the halos a different color, we can do that and move over. We can change the demon eye color, yeah, which I did forget to mention. This also has RGB demon eye, and so yeah, like as you can see here, we can change all 3 color zones independently of each other, or sync them all together and then just run you know, a uniform color. Some other modes, you know, we can go with like a strobe kind of mode. And you can also set different modes for different zones. So really cool application here, really easy to set up. And of course we have also predefined, you know, color themes or modes that you can set. So here's just the multicolor kind of fade in and out here. Now we're going to demo the top switchback strip. These are the profile pivot sequential strips, so they do have sequential action. So basically when wired to the turn signals, we will have a chasing kind of sequential amber function here, which looks pretty cool, and then they'll go back to white in normal driving. So if you want to order a package like this for your Hyundai Genesis, visit us on the web at VisionAutoworks.com. If you have any further questions, you can contact us by phone or email. Our contact information will be on the website. Thank you.